Hello everybody. Today is gorgeous outside. It's about 50 degrees and sunny here in New Jersey, and perfect because I think I need to bring the desk outside to spray paint some of it. I'm going to need to go to the store for some things, but let me look in my laundry room where I have my leftover paints and brushes to see what I have so I don't buy anything that I don't need. So I did find that I do already have spray paint, but it is a gloss spray, which I don't really want, but I'll use this as the base and spray it on and then brush the paint that I'm going to use for the rest over that. And also, I did find that I have these little brushes already. I might need them for some of the detailing, but we'll see. The desk does have some pieces of wood that peeled off, which that might be a good thing or not if I want that as a detail, but I'm going to buy this wood filler just in case some of the pieces are too chunky. If you're ever looking for a chandelier, like reasonably priced, they do have a lot of options here. So I got the rollers that I need. 6 come in a package and they were $9. And then I bought that wood filler. I got white just to make it a little bit easier. They do have different shades of brown. I think they have a blue. This is the white. They have a beige. Target is right next door, so I'm going to go in there just to look. This is a really pretty color, blue. It's only $11. I think I'm gonna buy it. Oh my god, look at this purse. The tassel is so cute. I'm going to pick up mascara while I'm here because I am running out. CoverGirl and Maybelline work best for me. So I just got back. I'm wearing the jacket that I bought at Target for $11. I'm just spraying where I can't really get too well with the brush. As you can see, right here is where I need to put the adhesive, so I'll do that after I spray. You want to make sure to not spray so close. As you can see, this is what happens. The spray paint will start dripping. So it looks pretty good. I think this is enough for a base coat. So let me put the desk back inside. I usually don't have a specific plan when I have something that I want to do in my mind. But the first thing that I need to do is fill in all of the chunks that are missing, like here, there, and here. The small chips I'm going to leave because I think that will enhance the detail in the distress that I want it to look like. They sell this in like a jar also. You don't have to get this squeeze bottle. This is the first time I'm using this. It seems a little bit easier to apply. It doesn't have to be perfect. Wood filler dries very quickly, so as soon as you're finished, you want to make sure you put the top on tight on this. I have this leftover paint from one of the walls in our living room. It's a Bear paint from Home Depot, and the color is Snowy Pine, which is a little bit of an off-white. It's not pure white. It has a little bit of a beige, I would say, undertone, but it looks white next to colors. But if you put it next to a pure white, you'll see the little tint of beige in it. So something like this that we're starting with little chips in it. Flat paint is the best way to go, or like a chalk paint is flat and matted also, because the more gloss that the paint has in it, the more you'll be able to see all the imperfections in the furniture. Let me just put a towel down before I start. My husband will kill me if he comes home and sees nothing on the floor. I'm using a sponge roller, which is the best for furniture, and I've used this for my cabinets as well. It gives it a clean, smooth finish. Can also be used on doors. I use it on these doors also. So my camera just died, and as I'm waiting for the battery to charge, my mind's going, and I'm looking around. I'm like, that would look really good if I painted it white. So I just took the paint that I was using for the desk, and I just started painting it on this. It was black and like brown, as you can see. I'll put moldings on it as well to match the moldings we have here. I have been thinking about things that I can change in this home to make it a little bit more modern, because that style is really coming in now. I just started that, so that'll be completed in probably my next video, so I'll keep you updated on that as well. I'm also changing a few fixtures and accessories in here, so I'll keep you updated as I do that. Before I go ahead and resume on the desk, I'm going to take out some food to make for dinner before Devin gets home. I did start Weight Watchers. I've done it before. It is awesome. It's such a lenient program that allows you to eat basically whatever you want, and if you stick with it, it really works. I've done it before. I actually lost 40 pounds, a lot of you probably know, and I've gained some of it back, so I'm trying to get back on track. So I'm doing it online this time. It's $20 a month, so that's not too bad, pretty affordable. Okay, so I have 10 points left for today. That's pretty good. I just grabbed a little snack really quick. This is 2 points on Weight Watchers. These are from Walmart. They're the Great Value brand. This one is strawberry and banana. It's really good. You might be wondering why I didn't sand it before I started painting. Sanding sometimes to me just isn't worth it if I'm selling this, and also this isn't all pure wood, so there's some of a vinyl feel to it, so I'm afraid that if I start sanding it, it's really gonna rip it apart and peel. So I'm just using paint that is paint and primer in one, so it should hold up pretty good. With this type of foam roller, you don't want to push really hard. You'll end up taking some of the coat of paint off. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the first coat. I'm just going to put the glue here to fix that, and I'll let it sit overnight, and tomorrow I will be doing the second coat. So now that the second coat is done, I did let it sit overnight to fully dry. And since I am going to be distressing it, it does not need to be perfect. I'm using a grade 120 sandpaper. I kind of compare this to like ripped jeans in a way. The more rips and tears that it has, the better it looks. Okay, I'm gonna go outside and spray this Martha Stewart spray paint from Michaels on it. It's metallic gold, but it comes out a little coppery. Okay, I took the tape off now. They came out pretty good. They aren't exactly the same, but it doesn't really matter. When it's on there, it'll look all put together. Okay, so now it's time to apply the protection with the polyurethane. This one I got at Home Depot. It's matte finish. They do sell one at Lowe's. It's a different brand, but you can get it in high gloss, gloss, or matte. But they do not have matte at Lowe's. They only have it at Home Depot. A little bit goes a long way. I'm also going to use the sponge roller for this. I'm going to let this dry for another 24 hours before I put the handles on. Okay, so the desk is completed and I'm so excited to show you how beautiful it came out. I hope you guys all loved how it came out. I am so happy with it. I just want to remind everybody that when you're doing a project like this, it is so important to have patience, because 9 out of 10 times it seems that the work that you've done is getting worse before it gets better, and that is something that I've learned over time. So have the patience. I promise you that most of the time you're going to love it when you're all finished. You just have to picture it in your head what it's going to look like and keep working on it. I will be posting this piece online to sell, so I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.